And now, the Roanoke Restaurant's Community Kitchen on Living Local in Virginia.
We're back in the Roanoke Restaurant Community Kitchen, and join us now is certified executive chef Judd Flynn. He's with On-Site Culinary Solutions. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Thanks for being in here and bringing all this yummy, sweet goodness.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So tell us about the cooking classes that you offer.
Okay, so On-Site Culinary Solutions is a company in Blacksburg, and I developed it after leaving Virginia Tech, which I was a senior executive chef. And what I do is I train about 150 professional chefs nationwide.
Wow.
But now we're opening up our class section all the way to the New River Valley, and anyone can come to On-Site Culinary, or the word on-site means we can come to you.
Yeah, I was just thinking, I was like, so could you come to someone's home and teach you how to teach them how to cook? Wow.
So what we're doing is really restaurant-inspired dishes for both the for intermediate cooks all the way to professional. So as what you can see is just kind of a display of what you might get from one of our baking and pastry classes.
Okay, and so you guys offer smaller classes.
Class size
right?
is up to 4 people.
Okay, all right. So it's not like you're having a huge class, but
you get a lot of attention, over-the-shoulder training.
Definitely.
And our objective is by the end of our course, you're going to be able to master what dishes that we've taught you.
Oh my gosh! So how long have you been?
36 years.
Oh, so you have a lot to teach.
So there's not much I haven't seen.
Right, right. And although today we're going to be making a tart, you don't just focus on desserts, right?
We got 13 different classes. Whether you want to learn global street foods, to learn how to break down a fish and prepare an entree, prepare duck, so on and so forth. We've got 13 different classes on our website, and we can keep enhancing that based on whatever the student would like.
All right. So, Chef, what are we going to do today?
Right, so what we've made for you already is a little tartlet. So our end destination is right here.
Gorgeous.
So we've got fruit tarts.
Okay.
The pastry cream, which is really for the layman, is vanilla pudding.
Ah. I did not know that.
But then the mother batch can be changed and flavored any way you want. Chocolate, coconut, and so on.
Seriously,
so,
all that's in the tart is pudding?
Pudding.
Oh my goodness.
But we make that.
So. Okay, sounds
all right,
fancy.
so we tighten this up, and we're going to pipe it around. I'd like you to do that.
Okay. Just go in a circle.
Yeah, but it doesn't have to be fancy. You can't do it wrong. Just fill it up.
Right. I think I need
Squeeze from the top, the left hand.
Well, I have to do it with my left hand? Because
no, you squeeze harder from the left.
Oh, okay. I was like, because I had it the other way around. I'm right-handed. That felt wrong. Okay. How am I doing?
Keep going. You need a little more practice.
Dang, Chef.
More practice.
Squeeze from the top. Got it. It's supposed to be circular.
Okay, now watch this.
Okay.
So what you can do is always tighten up from the bottom of the bag like this.
Right.
And then you should be able to come in.
Look how beautiful
after
you did that.
After you do like 100 of them, you become faster.
Yes.
The next step, now this is the artist's choice. Whatever you would like to do.
Okay.
So, whatever. So whether it be
I can just start filling in.
Yeah, this is what the final destination will look like.
Okay.
You can't do it wrong. So if you're a blueberry girl, go ahead and put blueberries in.
Okay. And then, so you guys teach all of this and more.
Yes. So again, for intermediate, whether it be young teenagers to professional chefs, we have a class to really fit anyone. Classes last for 2 hours.
Okay.
And at the end of the class, you get to take home what you've made.
Of course,
right?
Yeah.
I mean, it'd be great if you made these and take them home. I love to make them, but I can't eat them all.
I was going to say, can I take home the instructors? I'm not so sure I trust my own. But now, how do people go about signing up for the class?
Okay, so you can either call Chef Judd, and the phone number is on my website, right here, onsiteculinary.com.
Okay.
And when you get under the link Blacksburg Classes, you're going to be able to sign up at the very bottom, tell me what class that you're interested in, and I'll follow up with either a phone call or an email.
Okay.
And really think of it as making a reservation. So if you want to come next week at 3 o'clock, tell me when you're coming, and then I'll give you a confirmation.
All right.
Just that simple.
Yeah.
So classes are Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And please reach out to us and talk to us about what your interests are.
All right. How's that? Look
Very
good?
nice.
All right.
Okay, so the next step.
Oh, next step, we got to wrap.
We got.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
All right. So anyway, I want to go ahead and show you how to glaze it like this.
All
what
right.
this does is protect it, as well as gives it a shine.
Oh, and so what's the glaze?
apricot glaze, so it's really apricot jelly.
Oh.
So when it gets cold, it gets, it tightens up so it's not wet.
If nothing else, you're giving a whole lot of secrets, a trick of the trade. It's apricot jelly. Okay.
All right, do we still have time?
Like maybe 10 seconds.
All right, so what we've got here is we'll show you a couple more tricks of the trade.
Okay.
So to finish off dessert, a little powdered sugar. Look at you backing up. You afraid it might get you?
Yeah.
You see how we've done that? So this is a chocolate walnut pie, very similar to a pecan pie.
Delicious.
We've got a triple chocolate cake right here. Look at that. See what the powdered sugar's done?
Yes.
Then this is a chocolate mousse amaretto cake, right? What do you think about that?
I think that's amazing. I think all we need is a fork.
All right, I've got samples.
That's all right. We're going to take those break. Well, Chef, thank you so much. I'll take a powdered sugar handshake.
Nice meeting you, honey.
Nice meeting you, too. Now, stay with us, because coming up, there's much more.